Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. We're going to cook Pampano in coconut milk. We can also call this Pampaconut. Here are the ingredients. 1 medium-sized Pampano or pomfret, Pechay or bok choy, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 2 tablespoons vinegar, salt to taste, pepper, coconut milk first extract, coconut milk second extract. Rub salt on the fish and set aside. After 30 minutes, fry the fish half cooked. Saute the onion, garlic, and ginger. Pour in the coconut milk second extract. Let it boil for 1 minute. If you are using pre-packed coconut milk, use water on this step. Add the fish, and Pechay. Pour in the coconut milk first extract, or if you're using a pre-packed coconut milk, add it on this step. Season with salt. Adjust the taste according to your preferred saltiness. Pepper. Let it boil for 1 minute. Add the vinegar, and a bit of sugar to enhance the taste. Simmer for 2 minutes. Here's our Pampano in coconut milk. You can also call this Pampaconut. Support our channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video. Till next time, thank you. Bye!